this is our first confessional. Even though this is our first confessional, even though we've been here for a whole day and a half.
Got a boat.
She was trying to row the boat, literally.
I call myself rowing that y'all.
Rowing the boat. So are we moving a little bit? Let's show. Let's see the 360.
The wind.
Y'all see it?
Oh my God! I get it.
What? Where?
Oh no, that's a shit. What's that? This is gonna bring us back.
What is that? A fish? I mean a bird?
Yeah.
Ooh, girl, you scared me. She scared me. Talking about sea otters. Oopie, you having fun? Oh, we floated about 3 inches to the left. Go to the car.
In the water all motherfucking day trying to get home.
Whoa, we didn't think about this part. This might be a little spunky, spunk. But we gonna try. We go get back to y'all
I figured that out.
in a minute.